Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Twilio SendGrid suppression list access, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To authorize Twilio SendGrid suppression list access, start by logging into your Twilio SendGrid account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, find and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select API Keys. Click on the button that says Create. You will be prompted to enter a name for your API key. Choose a name that represents its purpose, like suppression list access. Select the permission level for the API key. For suppression list access, choose Restricted Access. Next, scroll down and locate suppressions within the permission options. Check the box next to suppressions to allow access to the suppression list. Once the permissions are set, click the Create and View button. Your new API key will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy the key and store it in a secure location. Now, with the API key in hand, head over to your application or integration. In your application, locate where you need to input the API key for accessing the suppression list. Paste the API key into the designated field in your application. After pasting the key, follow your application's instructions for connecting to SendGrid. Test the connection to ensure that access to the suppression list is properly authorized. Once confirmed, you can now manage the suppression list via your application. This concludes the process for authorizing Twilio SendGrid suppression list access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.